How to log into Alibaba account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open the Alibaba app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download this app. Now tap on My Alibaba at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Sign In/Sign Up option. Now from here, you have three different ways on how you can log into your account. That is by using your Google account, your Facebook account, or continue by your email. You simply have to choose the method that was used while creating the account. If you had created your account using your Google account, simply tap on Google. Then you want to select your Gmail ID, enter your Gmail password if you have to, and after that you will be successfully logged into your Alibaba account. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.